Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to combine N8N and HeyGen to automate your avatar video creation. So first off, before you start anything in N8N, just go to HeyGen, log in or create your account, and what you do here is get your API key. So to do that, you just go to here, then here, subscriptions and API, and go to HeyGen API and copy this. With that, you have your API key copied. We'll need this for later. Go back to N8N and we can start the N8N portion.
Before we carry on, we would like to give a shout out to Jan for joining our StraightToPointer membership. If you want to also join our membership program, you'll find a link in the description where you will get access to all of the JSON files from our videos and the new ones that are going to drop soon. And also don't forget to leave a message or your social link so we can give you a shout out in one of our videos. Thank you.
So the first thing is we need a basic LLM chain. Why? Because we're going to use it to create our scripts for the videos. So to get a basic LLM chain, just press tab, go to AI, and then you'll have basic LLM chain. Click on it and you'll have this. Of course, since I already have it, I already have a trigger, but it comes with a chat trigger. That's very important. Give it a model. I chose to go with Gemini. So to do that, just go to this plus and you can choose from all of these. So with that, let's go into the basic LLM chain. So this is the prompt. It's a very basic prompt. It's not the best, but it has one thing, is this. You have to make sure that the script generated doesn't surpass 5,000 characters because HeyGen has a limit on the characters that the script must have. It does not have to surpass 5,000. That's the limit. If it does, then will not work. So keep that in mind. So with that, we can move to the next node, which is a code node. So for the code node, if you don't know how to do it, just press tab again, write code, and you will have it. Press it, and you choose the language that you want. JavaScript is preferable because it's more stable, and you'll have this script. So a quick overview of the script is it does two things. The first thing is that it cleans the script that it gets and puts it in a variable, and then it uses that variable to build a JSON object out of it. Why do we build the JSON objects node? Well, I'll explain in the next node. So this is script. Again, don't worry if you miss anything or you don't understand anything. You will find all of these in our community. Again, to reiterate, its job is just to clean and gives us the JSON body to pass to HeyGen. With that, we'll move to the next node. So the next node is an HTTP request node. To do that, again, just tab HTTP request allowed. Now this node is the node that will take the JSON and give it to the API so it can generate our video. So a couple of things. First, the method. The method needs to be post. Says we're going to contact the API. The URL will always stay the same. This is the official HeyGen URL, so don't need to change anything about it unless in the future they update it, in which case it will be v3 probably because previously it was v1. Once we do that, we send the headers. We define two fields. First field is content type, value is application JSON. The second is API key, and the value is the API key that we copied from HeyGen. That done, we can move on to the body. Since we built the JSON object previously, we just use body content raw. The content type is application JSON, and we just take this, which is our JSON body, and we put it right here. As you can see, it does all of that. Now, to explain why we did that, normally you would have to go and just JSON and write the JSON body. But since the LLM, when it generates script, puts it in a JSON object, when we try to use it here, it's basically going to be JSON inside of a JSON. So it will not work, it will break. So the easiest way is just the code node just builds the object and just imports it right here. Next, we will move on to the next three nodes, which are interlinked. These nodes, their job is just to keep checking the status of the video until it is done. Because the video will be generated, it does not mean it will be generated instantly. It takes a bit of time, like a couple of minutes, depending on how long the video is. So this section, its job is just to keep checking until it is done. To show you what I mean, let's first execute this to see what it gives us. As you can see, it gives us the video ID. We go to this, it's another HTTP request node. But this time, the method is get. You just have to give it this URL. It's always the same, do not change it. And just get the video ID and put it right here. For the headers, it's the same as the other. Content type, application JSON, XAPI, key, and the key. Let's just execute it once. As you can see, it returns none. Next, we have a wait. To do this, you just have to write wait. So basically, what this does is that once this gets the status of the video, it waits 10 seconds before moving on to the next node. So to get into it, after a time interval, when you give it 10 seconds, you can choose how many hours, days, minutes. Just 10 seconds is enough to keep always checking. It waits 10 seconds and then it passes to the if. So to write if, that's it, if. If it's true, it passes to the next. If it's not, then we link to this so it loops. So if you go into it, if the data is equal to completed, which is what we want, then it passes to the next. And finally, the last node can be any node that you want. I chose to put it in a code node so we can display the link, but a simple script is not really that important. It can be any node that you want in the future. They can be an Airtable, they can be whatever. So to show you this workflow, let's go to a previous execution. This, for example, the first node gave us a script. We pass it to the code node. It cleans it up and JSON. This node takes it. Now, this, as you can see, the status is completed. It passes here. It's true. It passes here, and finally we get the URL. If we take it and we go here and just paste it.
Alley Talk logline. A mob boss delivers a chilling final warning.
As you can see, it works. That's the video created. But if you want, let's go back. We open the chat, we write, we have it. Basically, hey, I'm gonna give you a topic and you just write a script around it. So let's go with space, for example. So as you can see, it's spinning here, it's creating the script. Once that's done, it passes here, and then here, and finally here, both stacks. As you can see, executed 2 times, the video is not ready, so it returns no. It keeps spinning until we get through, like in the previous execution, and it gives us the link. So that about does it. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this helpful. Again, you will find all of these resources in our community, and you will find this workflow in our store, so consider purchasing it or get a membership. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Goodbye.